Your engine is running rough at idle, but smooths out the moment you get on the highway. This all started right after you cleaned the mass airflow sensor and saw that P0171 code. That specific pattern is the only clue we need to solve this. Yes, this almost always points to a vacuum leak you introduced when putting everything back together. It is not a faulty sensor you just cleaned. It is unmetered air getting into the engine somewhere between the mass airflow sensor and the throttle body. Here is why the idle is the key. At idle, the throttle plate is almost completely closed, so the engine is trying to pull all its air through a very small opening. This creates powerful suction, the highest vacuum your engine will ever see. It is like trying to drink a thick milkshake through a narrow straw. Any tiny gap, fold, or loose connection in that intake tube becomes a major source of air that your computer cannot measure. The mass airflow sensor already told the computer how much air came through the air filter. But this new leak is adding secret air after that measurement was taken. The oxygen sensor downstream sees all this extra, unburned oxygen from the leak and reports a lean condition. The computer only knows what the sensors tell it, so it thinks the engine is starving for fuel. It tries to fix this by adding more fuel, which you can see on a scan tool as short-term fuel trims climbing to their maximum, often hitting plus 25% or more. But when you accelerate and bring the engine up to 2,500 RPM, the throttle blade opens wide. Suddenly, the engine is breathing easily, and that powerful vacuum nearly disappears. The leak is still there, but compared to the large volume of air now rushing in correctly, its effect is just a whisper. It becomes such a tiny fraction of the total airflow that the computer can easily correct for it. You will see the fuel trims return to normal, and the engine will feel smooth again. You can prove this is the problem yourself. With a basic OBD-II scanner, watch your short-term fuel trim data at idle. You will likely see it fixed at its maximum positive value. Now, hold the engine speed steady at 2,500 RPM for about 30 seconds. If that fuel trim number drops significantly, getting much closer to zero, you have just confirmed the unmetered air leak. Now, for the fix. You likely do not need to buy any parts. Just retrace your work. First, loosen the worm gear clamps on both ends of the big, flexible rubber intake boot that connects the air filter box to the engine. Gently pull the boot off both the throttle body and the air filter housing. Before you put it back, carefully inspect the O-ring on the mass airflow sensor itself. Make sure it is not dried out, torn, or pinched. Next, inspect the intake boot. The most common mistake is the bottom lip of the boot getting folded under itself where it slides over the throttle body, creating a gap you cannot see from above. You have to check this by feel. Run your finger all the way around the connection. A correct seal feels perfectly smooth and flush. If you feel a ridge, a dip, or a folded edge, that is almost certainly your leak. Reseat it until it feels right. Then tighten the clamp. Finally, gently check any small plastic hoses attached to the intake tube, like the PCV breather hose. After years of heat cycles, they become brittle. It is very easy to accidentally crack one or simply forget to plug it back in. If you ignore this, the engine will keep running lean. This means poor gas mileage and fouled spark plugs are just the start. Over time, the constant high temperatures from that lean condition can damage your catalytic converter, which is a much more expensive fix. Check all your intake connections before you ever buy a new sensor.